want to talk about how to install Eclipse onto our systems. Eclipse is an integrated development environment. What it does is it helps you speed up things. It helps you auto-complete code. It helps you run programs instantly without building every single file. Because if you have a giant project and you have a lot of files in it, you don't want to compile every single one of it just to test once. So it's a really helpful tool to have when you do programs, when you make programs. Now, to get started, you can open your favorite browser, go to eclipse.org, click on Packages. If you scroll down, there will be 4 buttons. Click on Packages. And here, there are 2 options, Java EE and Java. The other ones, because we're studying Java, so we don't want to worry about that. But Java EE and Java. Well, Java EE is a tool for more things Java. For example, Java only supports the basic Java level, but Java EE supports a lot of more advanced stuff. And as you can see in the descriptions, you can use it to make web applications and includes a lot of tools other than Java. And so we're gonna choose this one. There are 2 bits. You should choose the one that you have. I have 64, so I'm gonna download that one. And you just need to click the download button. I have already downloaded one to save some time, but it should take a little while to finish. So just put up some coffee and relax. Now that it's downloaded, we can take it to whatever place that you want to install it. I want to install it in here. And just paste it in here. And extract it. It will take some time. Put up some coffee and relax. Wow, it's faster than I thought. And it's almost finished. And a little more, yeah. You should see a folder named Eclipse created. You can rename it anything you want. I'm gonna name it Eclipse Oxygen. And just open this. Double click on Eclipse. And here we go. It's loading. After it loads, it will show some initial settings. You only have to go through it one time. First, you need to choose a workspace. The workspace is the place where Eclipse stores all of its project data that you will create. Choose it wherever you want. Wherever you want. I will choose here and in here and make a new folder. Eclipse Oxygen Workspace. Name it whatever you want and hit OK. But if you just click launch, it will ask you every time what workspace you want. So I recommend just pressing this so that it won't ask you again and again. If you click launch, it will load some things right here. Well, this is the newest version when I recorded this. if you got something different than my interface, that's completely okay, because Eclipse is getting new all the time. And here we go. And voila! This is the full Eclipse IDE. You can just close out of this, and a lot of things will show up. And we're ready to go. Just to see how the interface works, let's create a new project. First, move your mouse over to this button here, New, and here there's one option called Java Project. Just click on it and say Next. You can type in whatever name you want. I'm gonna type in my first project. And let's see. And here you do want to configure JRE, because now it's set to Java Runtime Environment. This is not that good. Sometimes you really need JDK. Just choose Standard VM. Next. Go to the directory where Java is installed. Mine is installed in program files. And in Java, you can choose the one you want. I want this one. And click Finish. And select JDK as the default. And after you apply and close, choose this one, JDK, and finish. This is just a initial thing. If you click Open Perspectives, it won't ask you again next time. Don't worry about that. Eclipse just created a folder and a SRC folder for us. This is actually a file explorer. If you go to the directory that we stored the project, you can see that in here everything is there. The SRC folder. And if you go in here, there's nothing. Now, just to test it, let's create a class in here. I'll name it Java P. Just click Finish. And what will happen is that in here, there will be a new file called java.p.java. So the Eclipse Package Explorer is a mirror of the actual file structure. Okay, now that we've gone through that, let's try to create the first program and run it. Just follow me for now. I'll explain all of these later, in later videos. And system.out.println. Let's try to print apples. To run the program, you need to first click here, and here we go. It says apples. So we've ran our first program. Now in the next video, we're gonna talk a little more about Eclipse and all of its great features. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check out my website, www.whatsyouridea.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.